We're going over microcurrent technology with TEISpa's ojoRENEW. We can work on getting rid of this laugh line, these dark circles, crow's feet, lifting the brow, small lift in the cheek, whatever it is your heart desires, the ojoRENEW. So when you get your box in the mail, we're going to open it. Cute little message, enjoy life, enjoy beauty. Love it. Here's your tool. And then we're going to go ahead and lift this up. And guess what else we get? 24 karat gold serum from TEISpa. Love this stuff. And you have your little portable charger. That's why I love TEISpa. No heat. Heat. This little ring here is how you change your settings. 24 karat gold serum. You need to have a serum, preferably the serum, to work with this tool. Now we're going to use the serum here under the eye. I'm going to turn my setting on hot just because I prefer the heat. You do need to have both of your fingers on this metal part in order for it to work. If you're going to be using this on clients, you just have to have contact with them so that the current can flow through you onto them. For me, my laugh line has always been something that I chose to edit out of pictures, so let's get this microcurrent, see if it can't help me with my little laugh line problem. We can also use it in these small wrinkles around the lips. I love how small and easy it is to use the ojoRENEW, and I love that TEISpa created their own serum to go with it. You can take it anywhere with you. It's portable. Put it in the little box that it came in, and you'll be good to go. Get the lift that you're looking for in the area of your liking, your brow, your cheek, that laugh line, whatever it is that you are unhappy with. Spend 3 to 5 minutes a day on it. Put it next to your bed. Do it when you wake up, before you go to sleep, and voila. Until next time, beauty lovers, don't forget to ojoRENEW. Bye.